Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the draw, adjust the color green, adjust the shape, select the perspective, select the 3D shape, change the color, different color of shape, select the color filter, select a sticker, duplicate the sticker, change the background color, please like the video and subscribe the channel.